When it comes to getting a new boiler in a flat, there's a few things you need to keep in mind, and some extra factors that can make the installation a bit more complicated. Firstly, accessing the boiler and its flue can be trickier than you might expect. Depending on which floor your flat is on, you may need scaffolding for a safe installation. This can add to the cost and the installation time. Next up is the location of your gas meter. If it's inside your flat, then it can make things easier. But if it's in a communal area outside your flat, then things can get a little complicated. The pipes that connect the gas meter to the boiler might run through communal areas and sometimes even other people's flats. This can make it harder to access the pipes and can add more time to the installation process. That's not to say that these jobs can't always be done, but it's often more time-consuming and difficult to work with managing agents and other tenants to plan a route for the pipework. Finally, the flue will need replacing when you have a new boiler installed. If your boiler is located on an external wall, then this is relatively straightforward. But if it's located deeper within the building, then this is a more complex installation, as it means additional pipework is needed, as well as access to the entire flue route. Essentially, you'll be less likely to face any complications if your flat is on one of the lower floors of the building, access to the boiler and flue is straightforward, the boiler is located on or near an external wall, and the gas meter is inside your flat. As with any boxed boiler installation, we'll ask for supporting photos that our team of experts will review to make sure that everything you've chosen is the perfect fit for your home. And after you've purchased your chosen model, we'll be in touch if anything else is required for your installation. We know it can all seem a bit overwhelming, so if you do have any questions about upgrading the boiler in your flat, just use our live chat function on our website to talk directly with one of our experts who can advise you further.